Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. In the modern world, where there is abundant competition in any realm of human endeavor, there is one Japanese philosophy that will make you a feared opponent. Kaizen is the Japanese philosophy of continuous self improvement. It might be 1% or it might be half a percent. It really doesn't matter as long as you're improving in something. And this Kaizen philosophy was first implemented in Japan post World War II when they were in a race to dethrone the US in terms of economic strength. I think Kaizen is the reason why Japan is 20 years into the future and they're the pioneers of technology, innovation, and everything else. Let's do the math. So, if you improved at just one thing by just 1% for just 1 year, then at the end of the year, you will be 37.78 times better at that thing. Kaizen can really be used to improve any domain of your life. It might be fitness for some people, it might be business, it might be academics for students. The way that I like to implement Kaizen is by scheduling a block of time from my day into thinking about the activities that I can improve at. For instance, in my Kaizen session yesterday, which was focused on academics, I came to the realization that I was spending more time studying chemistry compared to studying physics, even though my marks in chemistry are more than my marks in physics, and I was really comfortable with studying chemistry than I was with studying physics. This was really like a slap in the face. So if you listen to my words and implemented Kaizen just as I did, in a few years from now, be on a date with the dream girl that you were so afraid to talk with or have eye contact with. So that's it for today, boys. And subscribe to my channel, follow me on my socials, and don't forget that pain is your best pleasure.